After more than a year of declining activity, Fraser Valley home sales just went up. So the question is this the start of a shift or is it just a seasonal bump? Hey there, it's Andy Schildhorn with the Schildhorn Realty Group. Every month I break down what's actually happening in the Fraser Valley real estate market and what it means if you're thinking about buying or if you're thinking about selling. Let's start with sales. April came in at 1,118 sales. That's up 11% from March and up 7% compared to last year. This is the first year-over-year increase that we've seen in over a year. So activity is picking up, but we still need to see if it continues. Here's what really stands out. We're sitting at 9,816 active listings. That's 45% higher than the 10-year average. So even though sales are improving, buyers still have a lot of choice right now. This might help tie it all together. The sales to active listing ratio is sitting at 11%. A balanced market is typically between a 12 and 20%. So we're still in a buyer's market. Let's talk a little bit about pricing. The benchmark price is at $899,200. That's up 0.1% from last month. But year over year, prices are still down across all property types. So yes, we're seeing some short-term stability, but we have not recovered. Let's get a little bit more specific. Detached homes are at 1,374,800. That's down 8.8% from last year and taking about 37 days to sell. Townhomes are at 771,600. That's down 7.4% and averaging about 32 days on market. Condos are at 491,000. That's down 8.3% and taking 42 days to sell. Condos saw a 0.4% increase month over month, and yet they're still taking the longest time to sell. That's exactly what we're seeing right now. Buyers have time. They have options. They're using it to their advantage. But here's where it can get a bit confusing because we're hearing sales are up. Prices have ticked up slightly, and it's easy to look at that and think that the market has turned. But that's not what's happening. This is market stabilization, not acceleration. For buyers, this is one of the better windows that we've seen in years. You've got more inventory, you've got more time, and you have less competition. But if sales continue to rise, that window, it will shut down fast. For sellers, strategy matters more than ever. This is not a market where you can test the price and see what happens. The homes that are priced properly from day one, that are priced sharply, these are the ones that are moving. The ones that start high and adjust later, well, they're sitting. They're still adjusting. So here's the question. Are you waiting to see what happens, or are you getting in a plan to put in place? If you want more detail on this month's stats, I put the full report below. And if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Langley or Fraser Valley real estate market, let's have a quick conversation. Click the link in the comments. Let's set up a time that works best for you. Let's have that coffee. So what are your thoughts on the market? Why don't you leave a comment below? I'm really curious to hear what you have to say. If this has helped you, feel free to subscribe, ring that bell. I'll continue breaking down the monthly statistics to give you clarity, to give you some foresight into what the market's doing. So that's it for this month. I look forward to doing this again next month and seeing how that market unfolds.